Good, now to continue, we're going now with the 2D. So this is the output from the 3D process, and when you zoom in you can see it already has all of the notches here. They align with the side next to it, and this aligns to that, and all this, they're already prepared. And you will see when you click on each of these pieces that all of the edges are set to seam, which means that if we would now just run this through the solver, if you click here preview 2D, it will add our default seam, which is in my case 10 millimeters. It will move all the notches outside and move all of this. So what we do in the 2D, we basically just tag with a different edge type everything that is not a seam. So before we go do anything, we see if we need to move our map around a little bit, just to rearrange it a little bit. It's coming out like this automatically, so yeah. Then we ungroup everything, and now we select the edges that we want to change. So down here, I know that we have a cadre, and there is in my seam library, there is this one, cadre zipper extend 20 in 20 R90. This is how we call it. What it means is it's a cadre with a zipper, edge is extended 20 millimeters. The cadre is going to be inwards 20 millimeters from the extension, which means exactly where we started from, and reinforcement is going to be 90 millimeters from that extension. So we will have the zipper line 40 millimeters from the cadre. This is we are folding edges, we're not binding, so this will be extended actually 30 millimeters, so we can fold 10 millimeters over, etc. But this is something that you set in your seam types. So check here. This is this edge. All these are the numbers. We don't need to go through these. You have a video separately about how to make these numbers, and also a document on our website, which I suggest that you use, and you build your own seam database. All of these you will have, and you'll reuse them for everything. So how we do it, once it's all set, click, tag, and that's it. This is going to be our flap with the zipper. This is, I have it, zipper, this one. And this one is going to be a regular zipper without the flap. And this is zipper with a 20 millimeter fold. This is how we do it. These are going to be edge with reinforcement of 5 centimeters. This one. Oh, forgot to set here also. Same way, you can use something else also. Yeah. This will stay the same because we have a pocket here. Here also, maybe I'll change this one because I want this to be, I'm going to join these. And you may choose to, just fix this a little bit if you don't like the line, how it goes, you can fix it. Completely fine, you can do that. So now I join them, and I will set these as a bind. Let's see where it is. This bind. So this will be a simple bind, and we can just run it to see if everything's coming out correctly. Just to preview. So this one is bound, so yeah, see reinforcement, and here you can choose to see how this is coming one piece. You can choose to join these. Now it will be a single piece. So it's just a join command. Run it again. Let's see, now it should pop out with a joined edge. There we go. And we're missing pockets. We need this, and this is going to be a back pocket, and pockets are also, you have them defined. You predefine them. And this is the one we use, the back pocket. This is going to be the middle pocket, and this is going to be the middle pocket. And now we set the positions. so the ends of the pocket. So the mid pocket is going to be somewhere until the curve, and this one is going to be like that. This one is going to be full length here, and here I'll just make it somewhere like that. Will make a shorter piece here like that. I need to put two, so it's a beginning and the end, so the software knows. And if we run that, you see all the pockets are coming out. And what also we can do is we can add reinforcements. So let's make a nice round reinforcement here and here. We're going to trim this. Just trim. And yeah, also here we can add tensioners. So we have these with the reinforcement. The one with the reinforcement, we can add it here. And the regular tensioner, I'll put it like that. But you don't need to go this far. You can just like put a straight line for tensioners, whatever is easier. Use some other symbol, of course. And on Bimini we do the same. So on this one, these edges, they're going to be reinforced. So I have here, it's the Bimini pocket. I have them like that. This is going to be to join these. So this and this, they're going to be the front pocket and back pocket. These are going to be middle pockets. And we have the ending, which can be wherever we want it. Let's put it like that. These that are full lengths, you don't need to put, just like it will take the full length of the. But if you want a hole, you plug the hole in on the curve. And now when you tag everything, you can just process it all together. All right, so now we can see exactly where our zipper lines are going to be. So then you can take your reinforcement. I'm just going to use polylines. You can make like reinforcement patches. And this is all depends like how you like them. You can do it any shape you like. It's fine. You can also eyeball it a little bit off. It will be fine because it will automatically extend it all the way. Also, what you can do is just use the fillet function. Let's put a different radius, 50. Do it like that. You can also do it like drawing an actual curve. So really, whatever you prefer. Yeah, same thing. I'm just eyeballing now. Here you can make like maybe a reinforcement for this part as well. I'll do this again, not sure exactly how I'm going to do it, but you get the point. And then you can either run it all together and having the prefix now set to some specific number, but we can just put it to nothing, and if we do it like that, it will produce regular numbers. But you see, it's coming, it's going somehow like centric. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, going around. So probably better just if you have two models, then for now this is the only way how to do it. You process them one by one, put the prefix here, let's say Sprayhood to be an S, and it will just go from number 1 until the end. And we output them out, and same thing here, put the B. And you can see all the pieces are out. This is the reinforcement for the zipper. It goes here, we fold over 1 centimeter, you can do binding, whatever. Here on the edge, zipper F20, 20 millimeter overlap. This piece here. All of these pieces, they come double, because some people use PVC plus the fabric. Some use only one layer, so just delete one that you don't use. All of these pockets, they're out. Probably I marked here something wrong, but never mind. The pocket has a zipper. Where it goes, all of the pieces that we made reinforcement, the curved ones as well, side ones. Each piece is numbered by the main number of the panel. With Windows, then later on you can, however you do the double line or do a single line, you do that manually afterwards, or you can do it in the step before in the detail layer, and then comes out. So yeah, you'll find your way how to do it. So I'll put this one also. So yeah, all of the pieces come in, and you can see that the underlying pen line, it goes straight into the reinforcement. So when you put this together, you will know exactly where your pocket line is going to be. Reinforcement, do the same thing. This one has also the zipper line for the future zippers. And here you have the list of all the seams that are used in this model with their frequency of use and the total length. You can get some information from that. Same here. But the best thing is here with the in these, I didn't do this, we didn't have this before, so these are old seams, but in all new ones I'm putting the description, so your seamstresses can know exactly what each seam. You can do a large description here, and it's very useful for them to have a reference to just see what is this zipper. Blah, 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 oh my god, I want to kill myself. And then they go here and find it, and yeah, oh, this is it. And also, if it's a zipper, they can know more or less how much zippers they need. Yeah, it's not super accurate, but it gives you a ballpark value of that as well. And then from here, this is how I do it. I just go down here with all this stuff, and then I take a copy of this further down without these. Then everything that is a PVC, if it's a PVC, goes down to the next layer. Here only the canvas stays, then you rotate nest, but we're not going to do that now. All right, thank you for your attention. I hope this was useful. This is a full workflow of one project. Obviously I rushed it through, but needs to be some more details to be fixed, but you can see that you can do a project like this in a very reasonable amount of time. Until next time.